Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create high quality and realistic stock photos just like this using ChatGPT and Canva. So the very first thing I like to do is to look for an example of the image that I would like to create. So today I'm going to be searching on Etsy.com, which is what you can see over here. And in the search bar, I'm going to type in wig stock photos. As you can see, there are quite a number of people making money selling these stock photos on Etsy. For today, I'm going to be working with this second listing. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll through and just sort of look for a section or an image that I can use for the next step. Just take a look at these beautiful stock images. This person did a great job. So what I did was that I just simply saved it to my computer by right-clicking and clicking on Save Image As. And next up, I went to ChatGPT and I just clicked on that plus icon right beside Add Something. And I selected the option that says Add Photos and Files and simply selected the image that I had downloaded. What I did next was then tell ChatGPT to give me 3 prompts that could create images just like what I had uploaded to it. And this is very, very important because the quality of the images that ChatGPT would give you prompts to create is actually dependent on the quality of the image that you upload onto ChatGPT. What you give it to work with is what it is going to help you to produce. And so ChatGPT has given us 3 prompts. And so what you're just going to do is that you're going to copy the first prompt. By the way, it's going to give you a prompt completely unique from mine. It doesn't give the same things. The prompts that you're going to get are going to be completely unique to you and are going to produce unique images. So what I'm going to do next is that on this left hand side over here, I'm going to click on that button that says create, the plus icon. And I'm going to scroll down on this left panel that I'm sort of circling and select custom size. For the width, I'm going to put 925. And for the height, I'm going to put 1350. And this is because when the image is generated, that is the size of the image that is going to be generated. So you just want everything to be perfect. And then on this left pane over here, you're going to slide down to Magic Media and paste that prompt that you copied from ChatGPT over there. If you haven't copied it, now is a good time to go copy it. And then just paste it onto that empty space. And then click on this place that says square and select portrait, so that the image is in a format that would work best for you. And let's see what Canva Magic Media generates for us using that very first prompt. Okay. So guys, look at the beautiful images that were created. So beautiful. So I just clicked on the very first one to add it to my page. And I enlarged it. Guys, this is so beautiful. And to get the second one onto the second page, I clicked on add page and then I went on to click the second image and repeated the process of enlarging it. You know, of course, you're not going to get the exact same pictures as I do. And that's the beautiful thing, so that if you decide you want to sell these products, you know that you are creating stock images that are completely unique from anything in the market, therefore making your stock images relevant and attractive, something that people would want to buy. So that is just what I'm doing over here, repeating the same process. Let me know how it goes for you. Let me know if you love the images that were created using the prompts that ChatGPT gave you. And so I'm just going to go over to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt and see what it gives me. I'm going to write out these prompts that ChatGPT gave me in my description box, just in case you sort of like my images and you want to get something similar. So let's see what this second prompt gives to us. I'm really excited. I love these stock images and I'm definitely going to be selling them. Okay. Wow, look at these images. I love this. It even gave us some models that are male. So I just repeated the same process, Guys, a lot of people are cashing out, making tons and thousands of dollars selling these stock images on Etsy, on Pinterest, advertising them on social media. So the truth is that if you are broke, it's because you just don't know what to do. AI is helping people make a lot of money these days, and you don't have to put in so much work. But I like to say this, Canva has limits on how many times you can sort of use this feature in the Magic Media, especially if you have a free account. If you have a Canva Pro account, I think it allows you to use it about 550 times, which if you're going to be selling these stock images, let's say you're selling like 100 of them, it's still good enough for you to be able to create that, because like as you can see, Magic Media produces 4 images at a time. Okay, so you just have to do it like 25 times to get 100 photos. So yes, we're now putting in the third prompt to see what Magic Media gives us. I am so pleased with these images. And voila, guys, look at these beautiful images. I'm also going to be putting the template link to these images and some other ones I had sort of created. If you would like to buy, if you somehow like my images and you like how they came out and you want to buy, I'm going to be putting them at a very affordable price, and you can buy these stock photos to use in your website, on social media, wherever you would like to use them. And yeah, and can I just say that please, if you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like, comment, subscribe, ask me questions. This is my very first long form video, so your encouragement will go a long way. And that's it, guys. Look at these beautiful stock images I was able to create. They look so realistic and human-like. Just let me know how it goes for you, and if you have any other questions. And so you can see that so many people are cashing out with these stock images. They are cashing out selling stock images that they created with AI. Some people are selling it for as low as $1. Some are selling it for $10, and because of how unique these images are, you can actually create listings of multiple, types of stock photos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video, and God bless you. Bye.